Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yeshwanth's Kitchen. I'm your Yeshwanth. Today we are going to make versatile Hyderabadi Mutton Curry. This can be taken with rice, chapati, idli, dosa, etc. Before we move on, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yeshwanth's Kitchen. Let's start the preparation. To make mutton curry, we need mutton, star anise, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, shahi jeera, bay leaf, curry leaves, oil, coriander powder, chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, chopped onions, salt, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. Now let's start marinating the mutton. To this I am adding in whole spices garam masala, chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, garam masala, oil, chopped onions, and salt. I am going to add in little amount of water. Allow it to marinate for 6 hours in the refrigerator. The mutton is marinated well. I am going to cook this for 1 hour over low flame. The Hyderabadi Mutton Curry is ready. Let's give it a tempering. To this, add some oil, allow the oil to heat. Now I am going to add fennel and cumin seeds and add curry leaves. Let's add the tempering into the mutton. Now let's plate it. Finally, let's garnish it with chopped coriander. The mutton curry is ready and I am going to taste it. Wow, the mutton is very tender and marinated well. I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my mutton curry. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yeshwanth.